Welcome back to Throttle Tribe. Think that shiny new motorcycle in the showroom will last for years without issues? Think again. Many riders waste thousands on bikes that break down way too soon. In this video, we're revealing the 15 most reliable motorcycles ever made, backed by real-world data and owner experience. And wait until you see number 1. Some riders have clocked over 200,000 miles without a single major repair. Number 15. Royal Enfield Bullet 350. Starting our countdown at number 15, we have the Royal Enfield Bullet 350, specifically the modern versions with the J-Series engine. Now don't let its position fool you. This bike earns its place through sheer mechanical simplicity. With minimal parts and a bare-bones design, there's simply less that can go wrong. The low power output of just 21 horsepower means this engine is barely breaking a sweat, even when pushed hard. This translates to incredible longevity. While Royal Enfield isn't known for Japanese-level quality control, the Bullet compensates with its straightforward design that makes repairs easy and affordable when something does go wrong. At a base price of around $4,500, it's also one of the most affordable bikes on our list. Just be aware that with the new import tariffs, parts might get more expensive in the coming years. The Bullet's air-cooled single-cylinder engine is designed for durability above all else, with widely available parts across the global market. At number 14, the Honda Africa Twin has quickly established itself as a reliable workhorse in the adventure bike category since its reintroduction in 2016. Honda didn't just slap together a bike to cash in on the ADV trend, they engineered it to handle the punishment that adventure riding dishes out. The parallel twin-engine architecture is deliberately simple compared to the complex multi-cylinder designs of some competitors. This simplicity translates directly to reliability when you're miles from civilization. With Honda's documented 12% failure rate after 4 years of ownership, the Africa Twin stands head and shoulders above European adventure bikes when it comes to dependability. If you're planning serious adventure riding where breakdowns aren't just inconvenient, but potentially dangerous, the Africa Twin deserves your attention. The 1000, later 2100cc engine operates well below its stress limits, creating massive mechanical headroom for longevity. Honda's decision to use a parallel twin rather than a V-twin or more complex configuration means fewer parts that can potentially fail. Number 13, Suzuki Bandit 1200, particularly the 1996 to 2006 models, lands at number 13 on our list. This bike is a perfect example of how sometimes older, simpler technology can be more reliable than cutting-edge designs. The Bandit's SAX Suzuki Advanced Cooling System air oil-cooled engine eliminates the complexity and potential failure points of liquid cooling systems. These engines are practically bulletproof when maintained correctly. What's remarkable about the Bandit is how many high-mileage examples are still on the road today. It's not uncommon to find these bikes with well over 100,000 EMI still running strong. In an era where manufacturers seem to prioritize technology over simplicity, the Bandit stands as a testament to straightforward, durable engineering. The engine itself is derived from the GSX R1100, but detuned significantly to prioritize torque and reliability over maximum horsepower. This conservative approach to engine tuning means the internals are barely stressed during normal operation. The basic design also makes maintenance surprisingly accessible. Valve adjustments, while necessary, are straightforward enough for home mechanics to tackle. Number 12, Kawasaki Ninja 650. We have the Kawasaki Ninja 650. Don't let the sporty looks fool you. This isn't some high-rung race replica that'll leave you stranded. The Ninja 650 uses a robust 649cc parallel twin engine that's deliberately understressed. What makes this bike special is how Kawasaki has used the same reliable engine platform across multiple models, refining it over years. The Ninja 650 gives you the sporty feel without the reliability headaches that often come with more aggressive sport bikes. With Kawasaki's impressive 15% failure rate after 4 years, according to Consumer Reports, you're looking at a bike that combines performance and dependability in one package. Its widespread popularity also means mechanics are familiar with it and parts are generally easy to find across the US. The liquid cooling system has proven remarkably trouble-free compared to many competitors, while the 6-speed transmission rarely develops issues even at high mileage. Number 11. Yamaha FJR 1300. Taking the number 11 spot is the Yamaha FJR 1300, a sport touring machine built to eat endless highway miles. What sets the FJR apart is its shaft drive system, which eliminates the maintenance headaches and potential failure points of a chain drive. Backed by Yamaha's industry-leading 11% failure rate, The FJR 1300 combines performance with peace of mind. The inline-4 engine is deliberately over-engineered, with many owners reporting 150,000 plus miles without major issues. For long-distance touring, reliability isn't just about convenience, it's about safety and completing your journey without interruption. The FJR 1300 delivers this confidence in spades, making it a standout choice for riders who measure their trips in states crossed rather than miles ridden. The engine's 1298cc displacement provides ample power while operating well below its stress limits, creating substantial mechanical headroom. Yamaha's decision to use a 5-speed transmission, 6-speed and later models, with widely spaced gears, reduces shifting frequency and wear on transmission components. Number 10. Honda Goldwing. We have what many consider the benchmark for touring reliability. The Honda Goldwing, particularly the GL 1800 chassis models from 2001 onward. This is the motorcycle equivalent of a Toyota Land Cruiser, built to last virtually forever with proper maintenance. The horizontally opposed flat-6 engine is a masterpiece of engineering, with countless owners reporting mileage well exceeding 150,000 miles. Some dedicated Goldwing riders have documented over 300,000 km on their original engines. Yes, the Goldwing represents a significant initial investment, but its predictability for long-distance travel is unmatched. When you factor in the low depreciation and exceptional longevity, the total cost of ownership makes more sense than many cheaper alternatives that won't go the distance. The 1832cc engine produces its 118 horsepower with remarkable ease, operating at just a fraction of its potential under normal riding conditions. Honda's decision to use a horizontally opposed layout reduces vibration significantly, further extending the life of engine components and attached systems. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying this breakdown of bulletproof bikes. There's plenty more valuable information coming up that could save you thousands on your next motorcycle purchase. Number 9. Kawasaki Vulcan S650. The Kawasaki Vulcan S50, introduced in 2015, proves that reliability doesn't have to be boring. This cruiser shares its 650cc parallel twin engine with the Ninja 650 we saw earlier, but here, it's tuned even more conservatively for maximum durability. What makes the Vulcan S is how it combines modern technology like fuel injection and liquid cooling with that under-stressed engine design. The result is a cruiser that gives you the reliability of Japanese engineering without the maintenance headaches of air-cooled engines. With Kawasaki's 15% failure rate backing it up, the Vulcan S makes a compelling case as one of the most dependable cruisers on the market today. And unlike some other bikes on our list, you can find these relatively new at reasonable prices on the used market. The engine's liquid cooling system has proven remarkably trouble-free even in hot climate riding conditions that typically stress air-cooled cruisers. Kawasaki's fuel injection system on this platform has demonstrated exceptional reliability with few reports of the common issues that plague many modern electronic systems. Number 8. Suzuki DR650. Taking spot number 8 is the legendary Suzuki DR650, a bike that's remained virtually unchanged since 1996, and for good reason. They got it right the first time. This is arguably the most reliable dual sport ever created. The air-cooled 644cc single-cylinder engine is so basic that there's almost nothing to go wrong. No radiator to leak, no complex valve train to adjust frequently, just pure mechanical simplicity. It's literally a tractor engine on 2 wheels. What's truly impressive about the DR650 is how it handles neglect. While we don't recommend it, these bikes are known to survive even when maintenance schedules are stretched. With Suzuki's 12% failure rate and this particular model's reputation for indestructibility, the DR650 is the cockroach of motorcycles. It will likely survive the apocalypse. The engine's over-square design reduces piston speeds and mechanical stress, contributing directly to its legendary longevity. Suzuki's conservative approach extends to the carburetor, which, while not as sophisticated as modern fuel injection, is remarkably trouble-free and easily serviced even by novice mechanics. Number 7. BMW K-Series Older Flying Brick. At number 7 we have an outlier, the BMW K-Series, specifically the Older Flying Brick K100 and K100 models from 1983 to 1998. This is crucial to understand. While modern BMWs have a dismal 40% failure rate, these specific vintage models were built to a completely different standard. The longitudinal inline-4 engine was massively over-engineered, with many owners documenting mileage well beyond 100,000 mi. The nickname Flying Brick isn't just about the engine's appearance, it's about its tank-like durability. This is one of those rare European bikes that defies the reliability statistics of its brand. If you can find a well-maintained example, these machines offer exceptional longevity at bargain prices simply because most buyers aren't aware of their reliability reputation. The engine's unique horizontal layout, borrowed conceptually from BMW's automotive division, provides excellent primary balance and reduces vibration-related wear on components. The K-Series features a robust shaft drive system that regularly outlasts the useful life of the motorcycle itself, eliminating the maintenance and wear concerns of chain drive systems. Number 6. Honda Shadow 750. Coming in at number 6 is the Honda Shadow 750, a cruiser that epitomizes Honda's reputation for building engines that simply refuse to die. Particularly the 2004 to 2013 models with fuel injection offer a perfect blend of traditional styling with modern reliability. The liquid-cooled V-twin engine is deliberately understressed, producing modest power in a platform that prioritizes longevity. The shaft drive eliminates chain maintenance, further reducing ownership headaches. What's most impressive about the Shadow is how many high-mileage examples are on the road with their original engines still running perfectly. With Honda's 12% failure rate backing it up, the Shadow 750 stands as proof that reliability and character aren't mutually exclusive in the cruiser world. The 50-degree V-twin configuration provides excellent primary balance, reducing vibration and associated wear on engine components and attached systems. Honda's fuel injection system on this platform has proven exceptionally reliable, with very few reports of the common issues that plague many electronic systems. If you're finding value in this countdown of the most reliable bikes on the planet, hit that subscribe button now. I'm constantly researching the best motorcycle data to save you time, money, and roadside headaches. Number 5. Breaking into our top 5 is the Yamaha TW200, a bike that's remained fundamentally unchanged since 1987. When a motorcycle stays in production for over 35 years with minimal updates, you know they got something right. The air-cooled 196C single-cylinder engine is almost laughably simple by modern standards. There's literally almost nothing that can break. No water pump, no radiator, basic carbureted fuel delivery, and a straightforward two-valve head design. With Yamaha's industry-leading 11% failure rate, the TW200 combines brand reliability with a design so basic that even novice mechanics can handle most maintenance. These bikes regularly surpass $50,000 mi with nothing more than oil changes and the occasional valve adjustment. For a small displacement bike, that's extraordinary longevity. The engine's under square design with a longer stroke than bore provides excellent low-end torque, while operating at lower RPM than many comparable displacement engines, directly contributing to its legendary durability. Yamaha's conservative approach extends to the carburetor, which while not as sophisticated as modern fuel injection, is remarkably trouble-free and easily serviced even by complete beginners. Number 4. Kawasaki KLR 650 1987 to 2018. The Kawasaki KLR 650, specifically the 1987 to 2018 generation, has earned a legendary reputation for reliability through sheer simplicity and over-engineering. This is the bike that U.S. Marines modified for combat use. That should tell you something about its durability. The 6551cc single-cylinder engine uses a simple air oil cooling system that eliminates the complexity of liquid cooling while still managing heat effectively. The design is deliberately conservative, prioritizing reliability over performance. What's most remarkable about the KLR 650 is how it handles abuse. These bikes have circumnavigated the globe multiple times, often in the hands of amateur riders with minimal mechanical knowledge. With Kawasaki's 15% failure rate in this particular model's proven track record in extreme conditions, the KLR 650 remains one of the most dependable adventure bikes ever created. The engine's conservative output of around 37 horsepower means it's barely stressed during normal operation, creating substantial mechanical headroom for longevity. Kawasaki's use of simple proven components extends to the carburetor until 2008, when fuel injection was introduced, which while not as sophisticated as modern systems, is remarkably trouble-free and easily serviced in the field with basic tools. Number 3. Harley-Davidson Evolution engine models. Taking the number 3 position are Harley-Davidson motorcycles equipped with the Evolution engine produced from 1984 to 1999. This might surprise some viewers, but the data backs it up. The Evo engine was a significant leap in reliability for American motorcycles. Unlike later twin-cam and Milwaukee V8 engines, the Evo was simpler and overbuilt. These air-cooled V-twins routinely see mileage well into six figures when properly maintained. What gives these Harleys an additional reliability edge in today's market is parts availability. With a 25% tariff now affecting imported motorcycles and parts, domestically supported platforms like Evolution Harleys offer economic predictability. Virtually any part you could need is readily available from multiple suppliers across the US. The 45-degree V-twin configuration, while not ideal for primary balance, has proven remarkably durable when properly maintained, with many owners reporting original bottom ends functioning perfectly at mileages exceeding 100,000 km/h. Harley's use of aluminum alloys in the Evolution engine represented a significant advancement over previous generations, improving heat dissipation while reducing weight. Number 2. Yamaha V-Star 650. At number 2, the Yamaha VAR 650 represents one of the most bulletproof cruiser platforms ever created. Introduced in 1998 and largely unchanged through 2020, this bike combines Yamaha's industry-leading 11% failure rate with a deliberately simple air-cooled VWN design. What makes the V-Star 650 special is how it blends old-school simplicity with just enough modern engineering to eliminate common pain points. The engine is virtually indestructible when properly maintained, with many examples exceeding 100,000 mi without major issues. For riders seeking cruiser style without the maintenance headaches or reliability concerns, the V-Star 650 offers perhaps the best balance of character and dependability in the segment. It's also incredibly affordable on the used market, making it an accessible entry point to reliable motorcycling cling. The 70-degree V-twin configuration provides excellent primary balance, reducing vibration and associated wear on engine components and attached systems. Yamaha's carburetor on this platform has proven exceptionally reliable with very few issues reported even after decades of use. Number 1. Honda CRF 300L and CRF 250L. And finally, our number 1 most reliable motorcycle in the world, the Honda CRF 3000L and its predecessor, the CRF 250L. This might surprise some viewers who expected something more exotic, but the data doesn't lie. These dual sports combine Honda's 12% failure rate with an engine design that's virtually bulletproof. The single-cylinder engine is used in millions of motorcycles worldwide, which means Honda has refined it to near perfection. It's deliberately understressed, running at just a fraction of its potential to maximize longevity. What makes these bikes special is how they maintain reliability even under abuse. Dual sports are often ridden hard off-road, dropped, and subjected to extreme conditions. Yet the CRF series takes this punishment in stride. Owners routinely report 50,000+ miles with nothing more than regular maintenance, extraordinary for smaller displacement motorcycles. The CRF series also benefits from massive parts availability and dealer support worldwide. If something does go wrong, you're never far from a solution. In an era where motorcycles are becoming increasingly complex, the CRF 300L stands as proof that sometimes the simplest approach is the most reliable. The liquid cooling system has proven exceptionally trouble-free, maintaining perfect operating temperatures even in challenging off-road conditions. Honda's fuel injection system on this platform has demonstrated remarkable reliability with very few reports of the electronic issues that often plague modern motorcycles. And these 20 most reliable motorcycles in the world. Did we miss one that deserves a spot? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more motorcycle content, and as always, ride safe. See you in the next one.